How to reset your Discord password if forgotten. If you forgot the password for your Discord account, but then you'd like to reset it, simply open up the Discord app or your browser. Then right here, you can see email phone number says invalid. So maybe I forgot my password. So I will go to forgot your password button that you can see here. It'll ask me to verify this I am human CAPTCHA. So make sure you go ahead and do that. It says, please click on the one that breaks the pattern. So which could potentially be this, right? So once I've done that, I can just click the next option. And right here, I can just go ahead and then click on verify. Once it's done, it says you to enter the proper email address. So just make sure that your proper email address is selected. Click on forgot password and make sure you go ahead and then it says please check the instructions, right? So open your browser and just go to your Gmail or inbox wherever you are and you'll find the password reset request for Discord, and right from there you can click on reset password. And all you have to do here is to simply make sure to enter a new password that you would like to use for your Discord account. Then just hit the change password option to change it. This way you'll be able to reset Discord password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.